Guys, on New Year holidays decided to see some packages that came to me from China, and I want to show you something of it. A small package in which something soft. But I think you understand from the title that there is. Okay, let's just open it and see everything by yourself. At first it may seem this is a normal smiley face, but not quite so. Look what happens if this smiley face is squeezed. Works like a pump that is draws and blows the air. Why it is so, let's figure it out. And these white pieces below are to glue this face to any surface, like a table. Look at these bags. You know what's inside? And inside is slime. Yeah, slime. Now I will do something not very pleasant. Take the children away from the screens. Do you hear that sound? Oh man, we'll do that in small parts. But it turned out everything is much easier. You just had to do it like this. Oops. I just hope no one is eating now, because it's disgusting. Jeez, that sound. Now I tried all three bags to feed one smiley face, and it managed. The second got a little red slime. But guys, what if I want to put this green slime in it? Do you have any ideas how to do that? Cause it's too solid for this smiley face. Should I warm it up somehow? Actually, I bought these things to prank my friends. It seems to be fun since my friends often take my things without asking. How do you like this? Looks disgusting, really. Okay, now they can share one slime. Guys, tell me what other disgusting toys you know. I want to buy something If there are interesting ideas, I will definitely make a video. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.